Come take a look at this 2004 Ford Ranger. This Ranger has just under 31,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Ranger boasts a 3.0-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 800-999-6477 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.